Hey there! Thank you for watching my channel. Today I want to show this little bow you can crochet. I put it on a pacifier clip which I crocheted myself, and it's for a friend who gave birth to a fairly sweet little girl. And I thought it would be nice to just make a little thing extra on a pacifier clip. So this little bow, I'm going to show you how you can crochet it, and I attached it to here. So it gives a nice look to the pacifier clip. So you need some yarn, and I've got cotton yarn and a crochet hook 2.5 millimeters. First we're gonna make a slip knot, and I'm making sure I leave a tail so I can weave, if I can attach the bow to something I want. So first make a magic circle. I always hold across the crossing of the two yarns here, and then with the working yarn pull it through the magic circle and you secure it with one chain. This one does not count as a stitch. So chain 5 now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And now we're going to make a treble crochet. That means yarn over twice in your magic circle, draw up a loop and don't pull it up too high. Now yarn over, pull through 2 loops on your hook, leave the other 3. Yarn over, pull through 2 loops on your hook, leave the other 2. Yarn over, pull through the last 2 loops on your hook. And this is what we're going to do 4 times. So this is 1. I'm going to make another one. So yarn over twice, in that magic circle draw up a loop, don't pull it up too high. Yarn over, pull through 2 loops on your hook. Yarn over, pull through 2 loops on your hook. Yarn over, pull through the last 2 loops on your hook. Yarn over twice, in that magic circle draw up a loop. Yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. One more time. Yarn over twice, draw up a loop in the magic circle, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. Now I'm going to crochet 5 chains. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And make a single crochet in that magic circle. So this is your one part of your bow. I'm gonna make your magic circle a little bit smaller, and now we're gonna do the same for the other side. So first make a single crochet in a magic circle. Now chain 5, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Now we're gonna make a treble crochet 4 times in a magic circle. So yarn over twice, in that magic circle draw up a loop and leave it a bit tight to your magic circle, so don't pull it up too high. Yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. Yarn over twice, in that magic circle draw up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. So 2 more times, make a treble crochet. One more time in that magic circle. Okay, so we made 4 treble crochets. Now chain 5, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So tighten your magic circle a bit and then make a single crochet in that magic circle, like that. Now we need to tighten the magic circle. No, I'm sorry, we're going to make one more single crochet in that magic circle. I'm sorry. And now we're going to tighten that magic circle like this. So like I said in the beginning, that chain 1 does not count as a stitch, and the chain 5 does count as a treble crochet. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Here's your first chain. Hope you can see it. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and this is your next stitch over here. So if you don't see what your first chain is, just count from the top down So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So here's your first stitch. You need to make your slip stitch in. I'm gonna slip stitch this row. So in a chain, make a slip stitch. So put your hook in that stitch, draw up a loop, and with that same yarn you just draw up a loop, pull it through the loop on your hook. So in the next stitch, put your hook through it, grab your yarn or pull it through the stitch and pull it through the loop on your hook. So we need to do that 5 times in this chain 5. And now for the next 4 stitches, those are the treble crochets. Decide what you want. I did my slip stitches in a back loop, so normally you would take both loops of your next stitch. You can do that, or you can just grab the back loop, and I did the back loops for this bow. So yarn in it, stitch, grab your yarn, put it through that stitch and through the loop on your hook. So next stitch, make a slip stitch, next stitch, make a slip stitch, and in the next stitch make a slip stitch. Now we have 5 chains, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and in those chains we're gonna make a slip stitch too. Just 1 slip stitch in every chain. And now the single crochets we're gonna skip. And if you don't know where your first single crochet is, if your first chain is, then count down from the top over here. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is your first stitch, needs a slip stitch in. We're gonna do 5 slip stitches in a chain 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And into the next 4 stitches. So if you did here the back loops only, then do here the back loops only 2, and if you did through both loops, then do both loops 2 on here. So I did the back loops only. I'm making slip stitches here. So 1, 2, 3, and 4. And now the last 5 single crochet, 5 chains are left, and we're gonna make a slip stitch in every chain. So we're gonna make 5 slip stitches now. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna secure this stitch over here. So I'm gonna pull up my yarn, and with my 2 fingers I go into this loop here, and I'm gonna grab my ball of yarn over here and pull it through that loop and secure it. Now all you have to do is to wrap around sometimes your yarn around the bow. So it doesn't matter if you go back or forth. So just make sure it's nice and neat. So in the center of your bow, wrap some yarn around it. And it doesn't matter how many times you do, it's just when you think it's done and it's nice looking, and secure your yarn a bit. So pull it tight a bit, and if you think, well, this looks nice, then just stop there. And I don't think it's nice looking right now. I'm sorry. So I'm gonna tighten it a little bit more, like this, and just make sure it's nice, and then cut a long tail So you can use it to attach it to your work where you want to attach it to. And then go to the back, and first I'm gonna make a normal knot, so like this. And secure both ends. And now I like to do a knot with wrapping around twice. So if you look like this, normally you would make a knot like this, so you make a kind of crossing with your yarn and then pull one end into this loop and tighten it, but I'm gonna do it twice. So I'm gonna put this end again in this loop over here. Hope you can see what I'm doing. And then secure it so this knot won't come undone easily. So then there it is. Here's your bow, and you can attach it to your work which you want to attach it. And I did it to the specify clip, but you can also grab a hair clip, I think you call it that, and you can attach it with or with some heavy glue, or maybe you can just put both ends through here and see how you can attach it. Maybe you can just go over here and make a knot in here, and then I do this twice, so 1, 2 times. And then maybe you can, well, if I do it like this, it will come undone easily. So maybe I can attach some heavy glue and then go with a darning needle over here. Let's see if I can do this. Got a darning needle over here. And then go over this side and just put it into my bow and secure it tightly, and go back and forth a few times to attach this, and maybe then it is more secure. Well, I think you know what I mean. So then it will be looking like this. And then you have a nice hair clip for your kid to use in her hair. So this is what I want to show you. This nice looking cute little bow. And well, if you liked it, and if you have any questions, feel free to ask me them in the comment section below. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Put on a notification so you get a message when I upload a new video. And for now, I just wish you happy crocheting. Bye bye.